Hi, I'm Ron from Blackberry Woodshop. Here we have a bench. When you get your bench, you should have a top, a shelf, and 2 leg assemblies. And then you'll have 6 long screws and 12 shorter screws. So I like to do this on a blanket. To assemble it, turn the top over, and you'll see these peg holes and the little numbers. Then you'll get a leg, and you'll see the little numbers there. 3. So you'll match that little number with the top, and you'll put the pegs in the holes, just like that. Now you're ready for 6 of the short screws. Just pull it in snug. Okay, looks like there's actually just 5 short screws in each one. Now, check our bench. The bench also has numbers. There's a 5. There's a 5. So this is correct. Put those pegs in. Now we're ready for this leg. Slide the pegs in. And then put the pegs in the top. There we go. Now we will put in another 5 short screws. Now you're ready to put in the long screws to hold the bench to the legs. All right, let's try it out.